I'm going to show you guys how to break this down. First thing you want to do is unplug it. Okay, it's unplugged. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here, I'm going to pop this off, lift it up, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep the hose on here, and I'm going to condense it like that. Then I'm going to open up the window, I'm going to pull this all the way up, and I'm going to keep this whole piece just like it is, because it was a pain in the butt setting it up, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to come on here, I'm just going to roll through here like this, and then I'm going to shove this right down in here. Anyway, we're going to do it like this, I guess. All right, there we go. Got it in there. And the window's down, and we close it up. And now this baby's ready to be put away. All right, so the nice thing about this is it's got wheels, right? And if I need to, on the side, there's little handles, I can lift it up. Makes it easy for me. There's the handles, and there's the wheels. So, highly recommend getting one of these bad boys. They're sweet.